Hi friends, welcome to Aruna's English. Today our topic is subject and predicate. Now observe these sentences. Ram is playing. Sita is singing. The dog barks. The picture is beautiful. Are you coming? Where is she going? These are the sentences. Now the words in red color are subjects and the remaining parts are predicates. Now what is a predicate? Generally the predicate tells about the subject. Here the subject contains the name of the person, animal or thing we talk about in a sentence. That means about what or about who we are speaking is the subject. And the predicate tells about the subject, what is doing or how is it. That means now look at this. The predicate may consist of one word or a group of words. Here in these sentences, first one, Ram is playing. In this sentence, Ram is subject. The remaining part is playing is the predicate. In this predicate, it consists of two words. Like that in the second sentence also. In the third sentence, the dog barks. Here, the dog is the subject. Barks is the predicate. Here, in predicate, only one word is there. Even it is a predicate. The picture is beautiful. Here, two words are there in predicate. And these two sentences, last two sentences are interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we can find the subject in the middle of the sentences. Okay. So, the predicate tells about the subject doing something or about the subject being something. That means in the first sentence, is playing is the predicate. This predicate tells about the subject, Ram. What is Ram doing? So, this predicate tells about the subject, Ram, and what is he doing? That means this predicate tells. And in the second sentence also, what is Sita doing? That predicate tells about Sita, what is she doing? And in the fourth sentence, the picture is beautiful. Here, is beautiful is the predicate. This predicate tells us how that picture is. That means this predicate tells us about the being of the subject. Okay. And already I said, in most of the sentences, the subject comes first. In interrogative sentences, it also be in the middle of the sentence. Okay. Now, let us see these two examples. Ravi is writing a letter. Second one, is Ravi writing a letter? Here, just the first sentence is an assertive sentence and the second sentence is transformed into interrogative sentence. In the first sentence, we can observe that the subject is in the first place and in the second sentence, the subject is in the middle of the sentence. That sentence is interrogative sentence. Let us see some more examples. Water is boiling. Water is the subject. Is boiling is the predicate. The baby looked cheerful. The baby is the subject. Looked cheerful is the predicate. Wood floats on water. Wood is the subject. Floats on water is the predicate. Flying a kite. My parents love me. The clown made everybody laugh. In these sentences, the underlined words are subjects and the remaining parts are predicates. So, as I said, the predicate tells about the subject. What is that subject doing, or how is that subject is said by the predicate. Some more examples. London is the capital of England. London is the subject. Is the capital of England is the predicate. I like chocolates. I is the subject. Like chocolates is the predicate. A cat is on the wall. A cat is the subject. Is on the wall is the predicate. So, in the above sentences, the underlined words are subjects and the remaining parts are predicates. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.